What's good, y'all? Real quick, we're gonna get into what's inside this box, of course, by a title, but I just wanted to show you guys some clips from the game I went to. The Clippers announcer who's been there for like so many thousand, 100 years, a bunch of years, is retiring. I want to show you guys some clips of that. Then we're gonna get to what's inside this box. Hopefully you watch all the way to the end, you dig?
Mitchell, one ticket here, left by Mark.
Yep.
This, all set.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I wanna go play hide and seek. I wanna go
Hey man, get off your phone.
just like a tall balloon. You and I are just like
What plays in pure?
This is what all the hoopla was about. It's bingo, Fowler. Good looking out. Real quick, just want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Tell everybody about the video and share it. We're going to get back to the video right now, you dig? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see, we're talking about some more of them Game of Thrones Ultraboost. Was able to get my hands on another pair of them. Let's go ahead and talk about them. If you do like the video, smash the like button, share the video, of course, so more people can see it. And if you happen to be new and it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe with notification bell on just to be updated on every single thing that I put out there. You feel me? Without further ado, let's get inside this box, you dig? Like I said before, we definitely have talked about some of the Game of Thrones Ultraboost collab, which were the White Walkers. Very dope shoe. Colorway was fire. A lot of people like those. Those are a lot of people's favorite out of the 6 that came out. I like those as well as the ones that came off of the girls, as well as the black and red ones. But these right here we're talking about is called the Night's Watch. What do you guys think about these? And if this is the best one out of them, what's your favorite one in the comment section below? If you have not seen these before, let's go ahead and pull them out the box and get a look at them together. The colorway is dope. It's simple and plain. The black and white, pretty dope, bro. What do you guys think about these? Honestly, down below, the cloth material that they use on the upper is just fire, really textured. It's getting a little hot out there now, so I'm sure if you wore these, you have to wear some low-cut ankle socks in the summer with some shorts because your feet are gonna be sweating like crazy. But this is a fire shoe, bro. What do you guys think? Of course, down below as I get this other shoe out the box. And as I get into these shoes, I want to apologize about the background noise. Like I've said many a times, I live on a main street and you can't stop life, cars, and things will pass. So please forgive me, don't flame me for that in the comment section. All right, now to the shoes, man. These are fire as far as the colorway. Very simple, can go with a lot of things. Even though I'm not a fan of having white parts on my shoe so prevalent. The whole boost, the whole bottom of the shoe, plus the UVT tape. I forgot PC. The tape that's over the toe box area. I'll get the name of that. If you guys know, say it in the comment section. I'm drawing a blank on what this is called. The CPT tape or something like that. I don't know. I'm drawing a blank right now. It's all the white on it. But this is a fire shoe, bro. Stepping out. Like I said, you have to wear these. If you're going to wear them now in the spring, summertime when it's hot, you might just want to be wearing some shorts and a cool shirt or something like that because the cloth on this upper, which I love and think is fire, is super thick and I don't see where your foot can breathe. But these are definitely dope. Are these a cop for you or are they a pass? The actual back part of it with the tags has the Night's Watch on the back of it. Each shoe has a different brand or different house representative part on the back part of the shoe. The back of the shoe has Night's Watch on the back representing the house. Each one of them has a different one there. The anklets have some stuff on it too that says black taketh, different things that represent the house. Also on the back of the tongue has night gathers and now my watch begins. Of course, I'll show you guys up close and personal details of all these features of the shoe like we always do. Not too certain about our own feet with these, but what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop, pass, fire, or trash? Retail price on them was not bad. I believe like $180. These ones didn't sell out, unlike the the white walkers, those ones sold out pretty quick. These ones you still can find places. If you haven't found them in your store, ask the people to order them for you. You can get them at the same retail price. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Without further ado, we're gonna get out of here with the highlights. Maybe on feet, not too sure, but highlights definitely. And I'm about to get out of here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace. Thank you guys for watching that video of these bad boys right here. The Night's Watch Game of Thrones Ultra Boost. What do you guys think? Of course, all the feedback's warranted in the comment section below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, BOSSCOSGOODIEZ. Follow me on the gaming channel, Gaming with Bossco. I do live streams over there too. Xbox, PS4 gift card giveaways pretty much when I get the live stream going on. If you guys come over there and watch, we get that going. Follow me on Instagram because we're going to do these Google Hangouts, man. Just a lot of things coming with the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Continue to support me on YouTube. And if you are new, subscribe. I'm about to get out of here. I'll see you guys in the next video pretty much today or tomorrow. I'm always at y'all. Deuces. Right. What do you guys think about these? Oh, okay. Here's the LeBron 16, right? The LeBron 16 medicine ball, followed by the actual medicine ball. How many people are actually going after these? And you guys see the comparison? I mean, they're pretty much the same, bro. Let's go ahead and take a look at these real quick. Which one are you guys more a fan of? This is the original. This is the LeBron. I mean, they look dead on each other, bro. I like how Nike did that, bro. Represented the shoe very good. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Which one do you guys like more? The materials on both of them look really, really good. The materials are pretty much the same on both of them, bro. I like how they did that, bro. They did a good job with these. Cop, pass, fire, or trash on the trainers or the LeBrons, bruh. These are both fire. I have definitely yet to see this one right here, bruh. What is that that DDD? I've heard somebody actually talk about this before. Very, very dope, though. This 97 right here is hidden, bruh. Red, white, and blue colorways. Looking really good for 4th of July, something like that. Let me put the light on these. Pro Vision. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? This shoe is pretty comfortable for a basketball shoe. If you guys actually own a pair of these, let me know the deal. These colorways